well, and the crowd is growing along the riverfront tonight. Now, hundreds of thousands are down there, and one of the main concerns for the Cincinnati Police Department is keeping everyone safe. Local 12's Brad Underwood is live with Captain Mike Neville from CPD. Hi, Brad.
Well, hi, Megan. Yes, as you mentioned, joined by Captain Mike Neville of the Cincinnati Police Department. And Rob said it earlier, Captain, I mean, couldn't have asked for a more perfect day or weekend to be out here.
This is one of the better ones I've seen in a long time, yes.
Tell me, how has today gone? We've constantly seen officers around the riverfront area. How has today been so far?
It's been perfect. The only thing better than the crowd itself is the weather. We've had no issues, and you know, over the years, this has turned into something we don't expect many issues either. We just know it's going to be very crowded.
And when we look at how, as we were talking earlier, how this event has evolved, and we see all these kids out here become a more family-friendly event, how have you seen it change in the years you've been on the force?
Anybody that's been around 25, 30 years, like many of us have, remember the days when alcohol and the fighting and the, you name it, we had it. The smartest thing anybody did was get rid of the alcohol, and it's turned into a remarkable family event ever since.
You guys are no strangers to being a part of big events. I remember, you know, with the All-Star Game or opening day. How long does it take to prepare for something like this? How do you change plans from year to year?
We really take a current year and add it for the next. So while this didn't start the day after Riverfest last year, you take what worked last year, put it on paper, start building off of it. It's months of planning, but again, we've been doing it for years, so we keep reflecting back on what we've seen, what we've done in the past, and build off of that.
Appreciate it.
Right,
Thanks
buddy.
for your time. Enjoy the night.
See ya.
Megan, of course, we will be back here again at 10 and 11 o'clock. We'll see you then.
All right, Brad, thanks. It looks like there's still some spots in the grass behind Brad if you want